prevent those fires, this is all you need. The Sea Legend dryer vacuum attachment. Now this thing is excellent. It's a patent pending. You can only get it at one place, and it will prevent your dryers from catching on fire by removing the lint. And you can also use it on the outside vent as well. Let's take a look at it. Nice design. Comes with instructions. If it's any size vacuum cleaner, just take this out and put it over your existing hose. And that's what we'll do. We're going to use this vacuum cleaner here. It's what we got. You can use any vacuum, stick vacuum or whatever. But what we'll do is just go ahead and we will hook this on here. As simple as this. Just hook it around the hose. As simple as this. Now we'll go ahead and plug up the vacuum cleaner. Now the vacuum's plugged up. Let's get a little closer. Up. Let's get us a little closer here so we can see this. I want you guys to see this. Now, what we're going to do is basically turn the vacuum on. Let's go down here and get all this stuff out of here. Now let's see what we got. Are you guys ready for this? Let's go ahead and open it up. This was an empty vacuum when I started. And look at this. Jeez, look at all the stuff that came out of this thing. That is crazy. So it really does work, and I highly recommend it. I will leave my link and code in the description for you guys if you want to get one of these. So just remember, it's the Sea Legend dryer and lint vacuum attachment, and it really does work, guys. So I would say 5 stars.